a little electric wheel, a medium one varnished last summer, and a giant one that we've just picked up. We're going to put some varnish on it, leave it in the corner for a barbecue. Lovely. Stage one, we'll paint the middle and the undersides, roll it into the corner, flip it up to the top, to the top. Okay, so we've done the middle, we've done the top and bottom of the edges. We've now just got to do this top bit. She's a thirsty girl though, she's taken half a tin, and I'm using Ronseal Satin Yacht Varnish, which is a personal favourite of mine. Not sponsored by Ronseal, but I'd happy to be. Okay, so I've completed the first coat of paint, or varnish I should say. Might have to put some CA glue in that little crack there, but I've tried chucking a little varnish in there to see if it will join it together. Got to take out some of the bubbles in a minute. And looking at the logo here, TR is Turkey, HT obviously what we're looking for heat treated, but there we go, an electric reel from Turkey in the back garden in Wiltshire, England. Lovely. Okay, all done and dusted. Wait for the balmy evening to dry out. Hopefully it'll look as good as this one. The old logo, still love it. And this is what they look like the next day in the sunshine. All ready for a beautiful barbecue. One's at the right height to put your bottle of Peroni on. One's at the right height to put your bottle of Ribena on. And the other one, you can put your sippy cup full of milk. Lovely. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click on like. If you didn't, or you think you can tell me how to improve, please comment below. Now I've lined up another video that I think you might like, but if you want to see more of my videos, why not subscribe? And if you change the bell notification, you'll be amongst the first to see my new stuff as it comes along. If not, hope you enjoyed. See you again. Lovely. Bye.